Hi, I'm Jon Bell from Railey Realty, and I'd like to welcome you to my new listing at 2725 Stockslager Road. Let's go inside and take a look. While you're watching the video of this beautiful property, I'd like to point out that it is a true custom-built log home. Every detail is meticulously thought through by the homeowner, architect, and builder. The open floor concept allows for plenty of room for entertaining family and friends, flowing from the den to the family room to the open kitchen dining area, including the bonus room above the garage. This home has something to offer for everyone. Of course we save the best for last. The lower level of the home offers a rustic contemporary design which flows directly into an outdoor entertainment area. I hope you enjoyed the video tour of this beautiful property. It is truly one of my favorite homes in the Deep Creek Lake area. If you have any questions or if you'd like to schedule a private showing, give me a call at the office, 301-387-2900, or on my cell phone, 301-501-0735. We'll see you around the lake.